Hello, and my name's Mark, and tonight I will be your trolley dolly. There's a thought you really don't want. However, the trolley, you might want that. So stay tuned and find out more. Hello and welcome back to the Golf Diaries. A couple of years ago now, time flies, I did a video when I bought this detailing trolley to be from SGS, and since then a few people have asked me if I could give an update as to how it's now looking as a detailing trolley. Well, as the weather is not on my side today and I can't get outside and do the Geon review on the Caddy, I thought it'd be a good chance to quickly put a quick video together for you. So it's a nice quick one. If you'd like to see that original video, I'll link it at the end of this one. It's only a few minutes, so hopefully it'll be worthwhile sticking around and seeing that video where I bought this, the seat that I'm sat on right now, jack, and a few other bits and bobs from there. So as I said, I bought this from SGS. At the time, I think from memory, it cost me about £120. I checked earlier today and it's currently £163. So pretty much like everything else in the world, it's gone up. But I still think £163 is pretty good value because it is really sturdy. It looks pretty good in this gloss black finish. And whether you want to use it as a toolbox or whether you want to turn it into a detailing trolley like this, yeah, it's going to last you a very long time. Now, the reason I wanted to get this trolley in the first place is that I do a lot of my detailing here in the garage, but also in the summer months, I like to get outside and be in the fresh air. So something that I could basically put all my polishes in, put everything in that I need to hand was really quite important to me. And you'll see in a second that there's lots of storage inside this top box. So I keep my machine polishes in there, as you will see, but you could keep, you know, if storage is at premium in your garage, you could keep a lot of detailing products in there as your store cabinet for your detailing essentials. And obviously you've got drawers here for brushes and the like. But what I liked about this is it's really easy to move around. It's steering at one end, so it can sometimes get a bit kind of bogged down a little bit, but a little bit of brute strength and you can get it moving again. It is really sturdy. Seriously, it's built like a tank. So yeah, you're not going to break it, certainly not with detailing stuff in it. And I wanted something that I could have everything easily to hand when I'm in the middle of doing a polishing job. So this fitted the bill absolutely perfectly. With no further ado, let's get inside the trolley. So starting from the top, it opens on both sides. It's really easy to open, slides really well. A little bit of kind of WD-40 or something every now and again just helps keep it nice and loose. And yeah, plenty of storage in there for machine polishers, as you see. But also you could keep chemicals in here if you wanted to. I mean, what you put in there is completely up to you. And yeah, it's lockable as well. So you know, if you do have to kind of just disappear for a few minutes in the middle of a job, then you can lock all your machine polishers away quite safely. Of course, someone could steal the whole trolley, but that's a bit heavy of a thing to just run off with, isn't it? So whilst I keep all my main polishers in the top, I do also have a Flex PXE80. Absolutely love this thing, and that stays on the bottom shelf of the trolley. And if any of you would like me to do a review on the PXE80, I'd be more than happy to. I just haven't done one yet because, to be honest, YouTube is full of Pixie reviews. But if you'd like to hear my views on it, I'm more than happy to do it. I think I've kind of given the game away by saying I love it, but yeah, quality piece of kit. Now let's get into the drawers. Ooh, that was bad, sorry. Top drawer first. In here you can see just a few basic tools, lights, you know, paint depth gauge, that kind of stuff. It's just the kind of thing that I like to have kind of almost at arm's length from me at any given time. And yeah, I mean, there's not much more to say about that. As you can see, all your detailing and polishing essentials are in there. That Sealy light, by the way, is really, really good. I will be doing a review on that. It's real good, great value for money. So in this drawer, yeah, well, I don't really need to say what's in this drawer. You can see, so lots of pads. What I tend to do is I tend to keep my pads separately from this particular trolley in my store cupboard in the garage, and then just put the pads into the trolley that I know I'm going to probably need for any particular polishing job. Please forgive, there's rain noise on a tin roof behind me, so hopefully it's not affecting audio too much. But yeah, as I said, it's pretty self-explanatory what's in this drawer. Now this didn't come as part of the trolley, but we added a poker premium a side shelf, just bolted it onto the side. And yeah, Poker Premium stuff's pretty good. Obviously there's other makes out there. And as you can see from this, I do love my Scholl polishes. I just think they're really good. Although Sonax Perfect Finish has always got a place, as has Bilt Hamber Cleanser Polish. It's good for kind of hand polishing in bits that perhaps you haven't got time to machine polish or you don't want to machine polish. It's a really good hand polish. And then finally, on the bottom shelf, as I said, we've got the Flex PXE80. But the other thing I tend to do is during an actual detail is I tend to take the Flex off there and I put like a plastic box there for my rubbish and for dirty microfibers. It's just really handy because you can just walk away at the end of the polishing process with a box full of dirty microfibers straight to the wash, and away you go. And that's it. I said it'd be a quick video today. As you may hear in the background, the rain is proving why I couldn't get outside and do the Geon review, so I'm not making it up. It's really raining, as it always is in Wales. But yeah, hopefully you found that of some interest and some use. Hopefully it's given you some ideas for perhaps your own trolley. If there's anything you think I could add to it or improve, please let me know. I'm always up for hearing new ideas and thoughts. And yeah, if you would like anything particularly reviewed that you've just seen, again, just let me know, drop it down in the comments. But yeah, hopefully we'll speak again very soon. Until then, take care. Bye for now.